Layer your fruits and vegetables by starting out with your onions on the bottom, tomatoes next, and garlic on the top. Placing your garlic on the bottom may cause your garlic to burn and be bitter. Place on a medium to low heat and let simmer. Check and stir frequently to ensure that your sauce does not stick or burn. Once your peppers have cooled, remove the skin. I then season my meat with the same ingredients that I seasoned my sauce with. As you can see, it's a bit cumbersome using these plastic gloves instead of vinyl gloves, which are a better option for this type of chore. In case you don't have either, you can always keep your meat in the food processor and add your mix of seasonings and then mix in the food processor. This makes for easier and light work. I just wanted to note here, you can make your meatballs any size you like. However, when I make spaghetti and meatballs, I make a much larger meatball, and for this recipe, I'm using a smaller meatball because here I was actually making beefaroni and not spaghetti. For easier cooking, remember to leave some space in your pan. This way you can shake and roll your pan around and move your meatballs without having to move each one individually. Also, keep your pan covered, and this will also aid in a much quicker cook time. I always season my pasta water with salt, garlic powder, onion powder, basil, thyme, oregano, and lavender. This step of mixing your sauce is optional. If it were just for me, I would leave it just as is, but my family likes the sauce blended down to a smoother consistency, but somewhat chunky. They still like to be able to see their fruits and vegetables. Because I can no longer tolerate sugar, I still want to round out and remove some of the acidity from the tomatoes. I do so by adding my favorite cheese of either Parmesan cheese or mozzarella cheese. Here I am using Monterey Jack, and I will also add some heavy whipping cream to the sauce, and this actually, for me, sweetens the sauce and helps round out the sauce and remove some of the acidity without the use of any type of sweeteners or sugar. Hey y'all, y'all, what's up? It's me. It is everything fresh and sassy. How are you? I hope all is well with you. I do. Mind, body, spirit, and in health. It is February 1st, Thursday, and it is 9:30 a.m. I got a flight at 2. We're leaving at 12:30 because we have to take the rental car back. And then they have to shuttle us from the rental car place to the airport, which is about 5 minutes away. I want to spend my last few hours before it's time to go on the beach, eating a bowl of spaghetti and meatballs that I made from scratch, the sauce. I ground up some steaks, made the meatballs by hand, made the sauce from my own ingredients. Yes, I did. Ooh, look at the waves. Oh, it's so beautiful. Look, y'all. It's so beautiful. Look around, have a look. Have a look and see. Oh, I don't want to go home today. I don't want to go. I just don't want to go. Thank you, Yahweh. Thank you. Babe, we gonna talk about this bag, child. Look at the water. Look how crystal clear it is. You can see down to the bottom. Look at that. Isn't that beautiful? So now to enjoy my food.